Hello, I'm Jason Hatfield. I am the Mobile Service Manager for Transwest Truck Centers here in Brighton, Colorado. We have 15 well-equipped trucks with very well-trained technicians ready to come to you and service your needs. Our technicians are factory trained. We are elite certified. We can work on your Daimler product, whether it be Freightliner, Western Star. We also work on your Cummins power plants. We can provide warranty service.
We can do just about any single thing that the shop can do. Anything from a 5-minute recall to an entire engine swing, which I've done multiple of those.
Training here is probably the best you will find. It's all through the dealer. It is all Daimler based. You get trained on Cummins, Detroit, Freightliner, the transmissions. Really the sky's the limit when it comes to training.
Biggest differences I've seen at Transwest is we do have state-of-the-art trucks on the road and state-of-the-art fleet of service vehicles on the road. So,
running trucks for so many years, I could tell you that decision always came down to, do I take it to the dealer and wait, or do I call the guy in the field and take my chances? Well, here at Transwest, we believe you shouldn't have to make that choice. Give us a call. We'll take care of your service needs out in the field. We can file for the warranty. We can do the campaigns. We can do the recalls on your truck, your trailer, your RV.
So the trucks we run are the M2 106s, Freightliners, with Summit bodies. They got big cranes, big compressor. They're probably one of the nicest trucks I've ever worked on, to be honest.
I really actually enjoy fixing trucks. I get great satisfaction out of someone not knowing what's wrong with it. Me being able to diagnose it with the multiple tools that I have, electronic and hand tools, and being able to figure out what's wrong, fix it on the spot, fix it on the fly. That's one of my greatest satisfactions.
Our well-equipped trucks are dispatched out of Grand Junction, Colorado, Brighton, Colorado, Frederick, Colorado, Fountain, Colorado, and Greeley, Colorado. We'll come to you anywhere in Colorado or into southern Wyoming. Phone number is 844-367-8199. Call us today so we can service your needs.